How to contact live support on Prizepicks. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can contact live support on Prizepicks. So to do that, first of all, go to the Prizepicks website, which is basically prizepicks.com. Now once you're on the official homepage of Prizepicks, simply tap on the help center, which is near the top side of the screen. After that, it'll basically provide you various rules and frequently asked questions. Just to the right of it, you can see the option called live support. Simply tap on it and then tap on the option chat now. Now once you've done that, this type of pop-up will appear on the right side of your screen, where you'll have to basically tap on the option send us a message and then tap on the option get started. Now once you've done that, it'll basically provide you this message box right over here, where you'll have to simply enter your email address over here, and then once you type your concerning message or whatever you'd like to chat about, you can simply do that. So that is basically how you contact the live support of Prizepicks. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.